Hey guys, Chungdha here. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a pie chart in Premiere Pro. So let's start. So what we have here already is a sequence and we need to add a black video. For that, we can make that at your project bin. We have here the icon for new item. Click on it and we can choose black video. Press OK. Drag this onto your timeline and your timeline to 1 second already here. To 1 second because we want the animation to be 1 second. So go to effects. What we need are two effects under video effects. We have generate and then we have circle. Drag this onto your black video and then we go to the also under video effects. We have under transition we have the radial wipe. So drag this onto the black video also. Now go to your effects control and we're gonna change the radius of the circle so we have it at the size that we want. This is dependable on how big you want your circle to be, and yeah, that's your own taste. So now we go to the radial wipe just to explain how this works. So the radial wipe right now is at 0, so it's showing the full circle here. However, if we change the percentage, it will cut away the circle. So this is how we control the pieces of the pie chart. And right now it's animating at clockwise. However, I want it to actually be other way around, to be counterclockwise. So now when we have it at 0 and then we show it and actually more animated clockwise, but it's counted as counterclockwise here. But right now here we can now play around with how big we want this circle of pie to be. This looks fine here, and let's actually add a animation. So we hit the stopwatch here next to the transition completion to add a keyframe here at 1 second, so it's stopped here, and then move this to the front here and then move this to 100, and when we play it we have this showing. However, it is of course a little bit slow and there is no like bezier or ease in, ease out. So we're going to change this keyframe, this second keyframe, to bezier. We're gonna drag this to be like this, so we have like it speed up and slow down, so it has like ease out. So now we can also go to the circle here and we can change the color. So instead of white we can move this here to be a blue piece of pie chart. And now to fill up multiple sections, we're gonna hold down Alt and drag this black video up twice so we can make 2 extra sections. So of course the top one we have this small section, and then the second one we want a bigger section. So let's first change this color to red, or actually like to an orange, and go to this second keyframe here, or at 1 second, and let's make this like this. This looks fine. Now we go to the third one on the bottom, change this color to red, okay, and this one just to 0% to fill up the entire pie. And now when we play this, we have also this animation, how this pie chart is animated in. So that was how to make a pie chart and also how to animate it. Hope you guys learned something very useful from this video, and yeah, if you have any questions or suggestions for other tutorials, make sure to comment it here below. Thank you guys for watching, love you all, be safe out there, and CD out.